Good morning, and thank you for joining us for today's Daily Market Outlook. Joining me today is Emily from our trading room to tell us more about the recent developments. Emily?
Some China-focused hedge funds are reporting explosive returns in September thanks to a sharp rebound in Chinese stocks driven by Beijing's aggressive stimulus package. The surge in stocks, which fueled a 25% record jump over 5 days last week in China's blue-chip CSI 300 index, catapulted Asian equity hedge funds to top performers globally for the year so far. Oil prices rose on Friday and settled with their biggest weekly gains in over a year on the mounting threat of a region-wide war in the Middle East. Although gains were limited as US President Joe Biden discouraged Israel from targeting Iranian oil facilities. The dollar jumped to a 7-week high on Friday and was on track to post its best week since September 2022 after a surprisingly strong jobs report for September led traders to cut bets that the Federal Reserve will make further 50 basis point rate cuts. The dollar-yen pair traded sideways in the last session. The stochastic RSI indicates an overbought market. The last session saw the Bitcoin gain 0.8% against the dollar. The stochastic indicator is giving a negative signal. The Aussie dollar pair made a minor downwards correction in the last session, dropping 0.1%. The Williams indicator is giving a negative signal. The oil gained 0.7% against the dollar in the last session. The MACD is giving a positive signal. The UK's BRC like-for-like retail sales will be released at 23:01 GMT. Japan's current account at 23:50 GMT. Japan's labour cash earnings at 23:30 GMT. The US 6-month bill auction will be released at 15:30 GMT. The US 3-month bill auction at 15:30 GMT. The Eurozone's retail sales at 9 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed today's Market Outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to log in tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.
Your trusted choice in online trading.